friends, and welcome to the den. And yes, the day has arrived. My injector is here. I'm recording this video on Tuesday. It actually showed up by yesterday, actually, after I did the other shave video, which I kind of had a feeling might happen, but you never know, and I wanted to get that video done. Anyway, it's here. I'm recording it on Tuesday. There's no way I was waiting until Wednesday to use this. So I'm going to get right into it, because I'm going to make you guys wait a little bit. And I know some of you are like, yeah, well, I'll show you. I'm just going to fast forward to the part where the razor is. And that's fine. But I do want to stretch it out a bit. Talk a little bit about it, and then I'll show it and hopefully blow your mind. And I'm going to give some clues. And some of you smart guys that are into injectors, as we grab the MLS shaving brush. Some of you guys that are into injectors, if I give you enough clues, you may be able to figure out what it is. So, as I get started though, a huge thank you to my man, DK, over at DK DamnFineShaves. There is a link to his channel down below. He was very instrumental in getting this to me. A lot of you guys know, DK is a huge fan of injectors. He's kind of like the injector guru of us wet tubers. Lyle, the SaskShaver, was a big help as well. He's also into injectors, so got to give both them guys props. And but yeah, DK really helped me out. I was after a specific injector razor. I didn't want to get just any razor. I have my mind set on a specific one, probably for a good few months now. Ever since I first seen him using one, so probably about 9 months, 10 months. And I've kind of searched off and on without much luck. And then finally I found a couple. As we get into this lather here, God, I love the smell on this stuff. Coffee, dirt, vetiver, leather, bourbon, coffee. Like I already had coffee. My God, it's so good. But anyway, I digress. So I've been wanting one for a while. I haven't had much luck trying to find one. And I found a couple on eBay. And I sent a couple pictures to DK, a couple listings. I was bouncing it off him. And then I found the one. And the one had a black handle. These came in a few different variants. And I'm actually going to link below a very good resource I found on Badger and Blade about these particular injectors. And anyway, I wanted one with a black handle. They're available in black or ivory handles. There's your first clue, you guys that are in the know. And I really wanted the black one because I think the black just pops a little bit more to my eyes. And I know how ironic that is coming from somebody who doesn't see too good, but it is what it is. So that's what I wanted. And I wanted a specific model. There's 4 different razors in this series. And this is the J series. There's your second clue to those of you in the know. Apparently the J series and the I series were the same for the most part, except for the J series had longer handles. And the J series had a couple special variants in there. And it was the special variant I was after. I'm probably just going to do one more application of water. This lather's coming together real quick. One thing I love about these synthetic brushes, it makes quick lather. If they're gentle on the face, you can really get in there and get your scrub on. And yeah, it's coming together real nice. So I was after one of the variants. I found one. I sent DK some pictures. Or the listing, he looked at it and he's like, I wish there was more pictures of the head. He said, but from what I can tell, it looks pretty good. It looked pretty good to me. Maybe with the warmer application of water. And he said, I'll tell you what, if you do decide to buy it, have it shipped to me and I'll ship it to you. Which will cut down on the shipping. And that's what I did. And DK being the awesome guy he is, he didn't charge me for shipping, even though I tried to pay him. So thank you, DK. I really appreciate it. Actually did help me out quite a bit. Shipping to Canada can be expensive. So anyway, DK, he got it. It showed up. really quickly too, actually. And he took a look at it, and he goes, "Yeah, man, no, you did good. That's gonna clean up real nice." And then he offered to even clean it for me, which I thought was just amazing, because obviously, once again, I don't see too good doing stuff like that. A little bit difficult. So he cleaned it up for me, and he did a fantastic job. And I think I scored something really, really, really good, like damn near mint. So you guys ready to see it? You ready to see it? I'm ready to show it to you. So, came in a case, the original case. We'll open it up. Now the lid is a little bit loose. Open it up from the right side maybe. The inner liner is a bit loose. May have to get some hot glue. You ready for this? So here we go. Oh, as the inner liner falls down. Now I have to get my wife to glue that back in place. All right. Oh, it's gold! Look at that. I don't even know if you can see the writing on that golden mirror. That's right. This is the Shick Golden 500. And it came with some vintage Shick blades, which we are not going to use. Going to keep them for prosperity. We pull this out and get a real good look at it. And there we go. I got DK's GOAT, his greatest of all time, the Shick Golden 500. Let's see if we can get that. I don't know if that'll focus or not. Just look at this friggin' razor. Look at that. Is that not gorgeous, or is that not gorgeous? Comes with the Hydro Magic lever, so you can flip it open. It'll clamp the blade in place, so you can clean it out easier when you're done. What a razor! What a razor! I've always liked the look of these Ever Sharp. So this is the Shick Ever Sharp series of razors. The Shick Ever Sharp Hydro Magic. We have a brand new package of bog standard Shick injector blades, direct from China. We're going to go ahead and load this bad boy. I don't really know if I can do it on camera, but there we get the key inserted. Pull back the thing. Insert a blade in. Pull the key out. Do we get a blade in there? I can't tell. It's so shiny, I'll have to put my glasses on here. God almighty. It's going off the rails already. This is a new person learning how to operate a Shick injector. I can't tell if there's a blade in there or not. Doesn't appear to be one. I think I would see the blade right here. Let's try that again. Blade may not have pulled back the thing far enough here. There we go. Come on. Ah, success. All right. A little bit of a learning curve there. There we go. I've never loaded an injector before. I didn't have the blade. I didn't have the thing pulled all the way back to the rear. She was not cocked and locked and ready to rock. All right, so bog standard Shick injector blade straight from China is loaded. Been wanting one of these for a long time. Let's put this to the face. Oh my. Oh my. you gotta be freaking kidding me. That is smooth. That is very smooth. I did not expect this blade to be that smooth. Wow. Oh, where have you been all my life, sweetheart? Very easy to find the angle. Very intuitive. Oh, very nice. Oh, very nice. That was a very nice first pass. All right, rinse off and go for number 2. Now the only hard part about this is going to be keeping it clean, but I think we'll be able to do that. I may have to get a dedicated microfiber cloth just for my razors. Keep it all nice and shiny and gold. Oh yes, I'm so happy to have this in the den, and I can see why. That's DK's goat. And I like the look of them anyway, of these J series razors. I like the sleek look of the head, the sleek look of the handle. Fantastic. Wow, that blade's really performing well. Very easy to find the angle. It's very intuitive. Another reason I wanted one of these is the long handle, because I got these big hands. So I figured the long handle would be beneficial. The only downside to buying vintage razors is you're kind of stuck. With the way they were designed. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. We're going for BBS today just to see how well this can perform. But I'm really impressed right off the bat. I didn't know the blades are going to be that smooth. And these are just, like I said, the bog standard Shick blades I got off Amazon. They come in the yellow box, the yellow package from China. It's a great blade. Very nice. That's straight across the grain there. No problem. It's a very light razor, so you do have to be careful not to bear down. Just let it do its thing. Great feedback off it too, my word. Now it'll be interesting to see how many shaves I can get out of a Shick blade. Most people 5 to 7 or 10 or more. I guess it all depends. I am a daily shaver, so I think that does help in the grand scheme of things with blade longevity. And that's pretty good. That's like damn near BBS right there. That's close enough that I'm not even going to worry about the rest. Very, very nice. All right, we'll do the cold water rinse. We'll wrap this shit up. that was worth the wait. That was worth the wait. Oh, you're probably wondering how much I paid for it too. $50 US, which I'm happy with. I think that was a very fair price for something that you can't really find. I checked eBay today before I record this video because there was another one on there with the ivory handle. It's gone. There is one other one that's in a lot of razors. So there's a couple Techmatics, which are garbage apparently, and another vintage Shick, like a lady Shick, I think, and going with the matching splash, a lady Shick, and then a gold 500 with the ivory handle, and that's it for golden 500. So, you know, I wasn't even gonna buy this one. I was kind of hemming and hawing, and then I was like, man, the listing was ending soon, and I was like, if I don't snap this up, it's gone, and it's gone forever. So, no regrets. Definitely no regrets. That's, oh boy, this might become one of my workhorses too. I really enjoyed that shave. That was super simple. And now I got to clean it up, and I got a nice dry towel sitting over there to gently clean it up and make it look all pretty and nice. So anyway, that's the shave for today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I do appreciate it. Very happy to finally bring this one to camera for you guys. I know I've been hyping it up, and hopefully it was worth the hype. I know it's definitely worth it for me because that is a beautiful piece of kit. So until the next time, my friends, be safe, be kind to one another. Most importantly, have a great day and even better shave. We're going to catch you in the next one. Peace, and I love yous.